Hello everyone. Today we will continue with Unit 4 for marketing. Okay. So today will topic is about marketing. Earlier we discussed in the class about the marketing means what the 4 P's. Okay. Actually, which is uh, place, product, promotions. Okay, and the price. Now we discuss about the definition about marketing and why we do marketing. What is the scope of marketing and it's important. So what do you understand by marketing? First means marketing means that it is using all resources. Okay, using all resources in the right direction where we can produce or we can promote or we can do we can make customer satisfied product. Okay, in the right direction means where we uh, as a function of marketing we can do the right thing on the right place. Okay, it is managing all the resources in all the resources mean all the activities we do. Okay, that give the direction to do a work, and according to that, marketing is the function which is organizing and managing to access all the resources in right direction to create a product or service in consumer favor to gain a maximum profit. Okay, right. If you ask what could be a definition, there are several marketer or you can say marketing philosopher gives the right direction about this, but we understanding the meaning of the marketing. So basically marketing is the plan, you can say plan activity. Okay, where we do the planning about the all economical activities for the organization where the customer can reach to our product and we can reach with product to the customer. Okay, where the possibility of buying and the maximum profit will be happen. So that is the actual of you can say meaning of the marketing. Now when we discuss about the scope of marketing, the scope of any place will be huge, right? Scope means expand a wide version of anything. When we talk about the marketing scope means we all the function, or we can say all the possible things we can do under the marketing. Okay, which is also helpful for the marketing means if we doing something okay for the organization. Okay, the scope marketing will be known as the study of, right, the study, we can say the study is related to increasing a profit, or we can say maximum extendance of marketing. Okay, that will be scope of marketing, right? If the marketing has a huge uh, a large of activities are happened in the marketing, so that is the scope of marketing also going wide, because whatever we do in the marketing becomes the scope to study and to improve and go with improve methods. Okay, we see the in the marketing the we always talk about the 4 P's. Okay, which is amen. Okay, but what could be scope marketing means if you talk about any simple product, so there are thousand, we can say that the scope of product become very huge, which is related to the marketing, and that's why the scope of marketing is bigger in the one single of the product. Okay, because product, what kind of product, okay, it could be new, old, or product development, new product, or okay, so that become the study about exploring the market, we can say the exploring the market extent, the marketing extent is become a scope of for marketing. So what could be scope of marketing? It might be a study. So there will be always a study, we can say the segments, so the subdivision of the marketing become the scope of. The first is the study of consumer want and needs. Okay, what consumer need, and in the future what they will want, that become a study factor, we can say scope of marketing. It's a, right, in the sense study of consumer behavior, again it is a part of marketing. Okay, the production planning and development, how much we should be produce. Okay, the producer whatever we produce, it could be in low production or high volume production, we should be a extensive production or mass production. That it depends on the marketing, okay, which is also the subsecond scope of the marketing. Okay, the pricing policy of that, what should be a price of product, okay, what should be priced with the competitor, also with the what kind of market is monopolistic or oligopolistic, okay, where the you are the only leader or in that product, or there are huge or number of competitors are there in one product. So that depends on the what you study about this all pricing, which is comes under marketing. The distribution channel again is in common terms is the logistic management. Whatever the logistic means, the whatever the handling which is going to from manufacturing to retailer and the wholesaler, that is the distribution channel. We are going to lead our product, okay. The promotion is all about the creating a brand image about the product and about the company. And such marketing control means the allocation of resources we are doing for each and everything, like the consumer behavior and pricing and promotion, whatever it is, it should be in right manner, and whatever we putting effort, we should get the results, okay. So that is, so now the importance of marketing, why we do create a market, okay. So it could be in two bases. If you talk about it in the broad way and in the inner way means in all about the organization. When we talk about the importance about the organization marketing, it very huge, okay. It seem very less point of, because someone say that production नहीं होगा तो सेल कैसे होगा and the marketing कैसे होगा. So it looks very small part, but its very effect is very powerful, okay. So first factor we can say the within the organization what is the importance of marketing, and second is the within the country means the outside of the market. Of you doing marketing, what will be effect on the economy, or what will be effect on the market. So that also create another importance of marketing. First we will talk about the organization, means within the organization. If we do the marketing, there are two effects, which is, so we can understand the importance of marketing. If you don't do a marketing, what will happen? People will not aware about your product, okay. Listen carefully. If you are not doing a marketing, people will not aware about your product, okay. So they will not aware about your product, though they will not buy, or whenever they will go to purchasing, they will not recognize your brand or your company, right. If you do a marketing, okay, people will hear about it, see your brand and product here, okay. So we will decide to buy whenever they go for purchasing, they will definitely buy a product some and how, okay. So that is the importance of marketing, because because what is marketing is reach out to customer with our product, means अपने प्रोडक्ट के साथ कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचना, okay, and try to stimulate the consumer to buy our product. That is a marketing, and that is why that is very important. But what is the global aspect, we can say the in the market, yeah, what is the effect of the economy. First, when we do the marketing, okay, first of all it is lead to the competition, okay. If a good marketing leads to the good competition, again when the competition is good in the market, means the volume of production get increases and the selling of production is go smooth, means the expanding power and in earning power become a raise. So that's helpful in the economy, okay. When we talk about that, if you are going with your product to the customer, okay, means if you are going to with your product, okay, it mean if you do marketing, okay, and we going with your product, means your product going to be somehow, if they don't buy, but the product awareness will be rise, okay. When the product awareness will be rise, the people try to buy things, try to new things, okay, which will helpful in your daily life or their purpose or their need. That's why it is very importance of marketing. And in marketing also lead to the consumption and mass production also. if the marketing hits a product, so the demand of the product get increase, and that number of production again demand the number of employee, which is help indirectly in employment. Okay, you get my point? Okay. And the use of the technology also, whenever do you try to use a marketing as a tool, we use the technology. Okay, and that technology hits the next generation or the existing people to use the technology to solve their problem, or okay, or whatever they need they required. So technically uses also the part of the marketing tool which hit the economic activity. And marketing also very hiding point is a marketing create the awareness about the product. If you are doing marketing of your product, means indirectly you are creating awareness of the product, which is also helping in leads to the market's growth. Okay, and when the market will grow, it will lead to the mass production or the okay, when the production leads to the requirement of the employee or labor, which is also okay, so that increase the expanding power and the income earning power in the economy. So that is the importance of the marketing. I hope you understand the meaning of marketing, the scope and the importance of the marketing. Thank you.